Hi everyone, I'm Ramzeen Rauff. I'm one of the directors of Metalspan and co-founder of Metalspan UK. Today I'm actually visiting Alucopanel Factory in Dubai. First of all, I would like to thank Alucopanel team, the management, especially Mr. Zuhaib, for giving me the opportunity to visit the factory again. I have been coming to this factory for nearly 9 years. Some of the things that I was able to witness is how the factory has actually evolved over the years. Initially, the company was producing A2 material on the ACM aluminum composite material. Over the years, actually, it has grown to a point that actually one of the only two exclusive company in the world to produce A1 non-combustible material. This is taking the ACM to a next level. One of the main reasons I would say is with this A1 non-combustible material, it makes a big difference to the building facade industry in the UK, Europe, and rest of the world. Especially why the A1 non-combustible ACM can make a big difference is if you look at the facade industry, traditionally most of the building facades been done with 3mm solid aluminium material. Whereas on the A1 or any ACM material, we use notably 66% less aluminium. So therefore, it makes a big difference in terms of the carbon emission. It helps to reduce the carbon footprint of the construction industry by reducing the aluminium consumption by 66%. Of course, the energy consumption is reduced. And on top of that, actually, if you look at the actual processing of the aluminium composite material compared to solid aluminium, CNC processing of aluminium composite material is 5 times faster than the 3mm solid aluminium panel fabrication. So therefore, then again, you are actually reducing the energy consumption. So therefore, it makes a big difference in reducing the embodied carbon on the facade material. So one of the important points to look at what Alucopanel has actually achieved over the years, they've actually added 2 more production lines. So altogether, they have 3 production lines. And they also have the advantage of having their own in-house PVDF coating, and the coating supplier, the paint supplier, is Becker's. This is also one of the good things that you look at in terms of building facade industry, because Becker's is one of the oldest, one of the biggest paint company with over 150 years history. So they actually comes with a lot of knowledge and experience. So combined together with Becker's and Alucopanel as one of the region's biggest building material suppliers as part of the Danube group, it makes a big difference. So I would say this product has traveled a lot in terms of its growth. You can see initially starting off with FR Class B, then going to Class A2 as per BSE and 13501. Again, then the latest development in the last few years is A1 non-combustible aluminium composite material. I think this makes a big difference in terms of what the facade industry has gone through in the last 6-7 years after the Grenfell fire disaster. I mean, the entire construction industry has actually gone through a lot of challenges. This A1 non-combustible ACM material provides a good solution for the building facade industry, being one of the best product in terms of fire safety, being A1 non-combustible material. Then again, also it provides lower carbon emission because of the lower consumption of aluminium in the product. This technology is amazing. Over the years, Alucopanel has actually done a lot of developments, changes, and they are a company is always looking for constantly innovate. That is one of the reasons actually they ended up developing the A1 non-combustible material. I think this shows the the objective is to push the boundaries to get the best quality product and to constantly innovate and to be the leader in the building facade material industry. Thank you.
Building fires have tragically claimed lives worldwide. It's time to end the use of combustible cladding materials. At Metalspan, we prioritize human safety and sustainability with our cutting-edge Metalspan by Alucopanel non-combustible cladding material. Metalspan by Alucopanel, advanced A1 non-combustible ACM cladding. Forming safe spaces.